thank you all for sticking it out with us here on this beautiful Friday night as Flagman Brian Tapp looks them over. Ladies and gentlemen, it's showtime for the factory stocks. Bledsaw going to go to the outside of Truett into 1 and 2. Brownlee right there in pursuit. Truett on the bottom. Ricky on the outside for the lead. Ricky going to lead them going into 3 and 4, just on the outer lane of Todd Truett. Truett back to the inside, leading lap number 1. Lap number 1, Todd Truett's going to lead them. Here comes a 41 of Sean Brownlee to the inside of Bledsaw for second, side by side down the back straightaway. Brownlee on the bottom, Bledsaw on the outside. Brownlee going to try. He's going to get it to him a little bit, still side by side, putting Bledsaw just on the outside line, all on the back bumper of Todd Truett now. Brownlee getting held up by Truett down the back straightaway. Bledsaw gonna try to capitalize and run down race leader Todd Truett. Truett slides it right up in front of Bledsaw. Brownlee got up into Bledsaw. Brownlee now overcomes and gets into second, going into 1 and 2, and then 4 wide out of 4. They continue to go 3 wide down the front stretch into 1 and 2. They're still 3 wide, falling apart. Todd Truett still holding in pursuit. Now Brownlee on the back bumper for the lead, down the back straightaway, side by side, and caution coming out. Looks like we got some debris. Todd Truett, your leader. Sean Brownlee, Ricky Bledsaw, Chris Nunn, Jim Kuehn, Derek Arnett, Chris Wilson, Christopher Adair, Kevin Wasserman, Zoe Hyde. And we're back green. Todd Truett will lead them at the line. Truett leads the field going into 1 and 2 on the bottom. Ricky Bledsaw looking to go outside quickly. Still once again going back side by side with Brownlee. Brownlee got loose out of 2. Down the back chute, Bledsaw able to capitalize. He's now in the second spot, and Brownlee tagged him up quite a bit in 3 and 4, but he was the one to fall victim himself, going down the front straightaway into 1 and 2. Now he's going to tag him up a little bit, going down the back straightaway. Truett, Bledsaw, Brownlee, and Nunn and Kuehn. Brownlee all on the back bumper of Bledsaw as they come down the front straightaway, roaring. Todd Truett staying held on the bottom now. Sean Brownlee changing lines, going topside, entering turn 1, back to the bottom out of 2, diamonds it off, looking to go to the outside of Ricky Bledsaw for second, into 3 and 4. Brownlee changing lines yet again in 3 and 4, going outside and got loose out of 4, and he fell back. Brownlee holding off, trying to get around. And then battles going on with the 21 of Christopher Adair and Kevin Wasserman for the A spot. They're side by side. Wasserman got around as Adair pulls off to the infield in turn 2. Staying green. And then also going on, Derek Arnett and the 6W of Chris Wilson going side by side out of 4 down the front straightaway battle as they battle it out for the 6th spot. Arnett on the outside, Wilson on the bottom, out of 2 down the back straightaway, and then once again at the front of the field, side by side for the lead. Truett on the bottom. Here comes Brownlee now, your new race leader into 1 and 2. Brownlee leads them going around the top in 1 and 2. Truett tried to slide it up to him. Down the back straightaway, it didn't stick out. Sean Brownlee, your leader on lap number 8, up 20. Truett staying back on the bottom, didn't stick for him. Brownlee still your leader. Sean Brownlee starting to get away from the field of Ricky Bledsaw. Todd Truett. Truett doing all he can in the 7T to try to get back to the lead of the 41. Sean Brownlee and debris at the top of turn number 2. Yellow coming on. Looks like coming off the 40 laps remaining Fear Factory Stock Feature event. Ricky Bledsaw now your leader. And we're back green. Bledsaw will lead them. Bledsaw leads them going into 1 and 2. Nunn, Kuehn, Arnett. Derek Arnett looking to go to the outside of Kuehn. And now challenging for 3 wide. Is he 64? Ricky Bledsaw leading them. Chris Nunn, Jim Kuehn, Derek Arnett, Tommy Lawley, Zoe Hyde, Houston Garrison, Kevin Wasserman. Derek Arnett getting way up out of the groove And now trouble down the back straightaway. Got one coming to a slow halt. Zoe Hyde was the one to fall victim as she dropped back 3 spots due to that one. Zoe Hyde gonna re-scramble and try to handle right front flat for the C4. He'll make the hard right-hand turn up and off the racing surface. Ricky Bledsaw, your leader, by a dominating lead over the 87 of Chris Nunn. Nunn trying every line around the racetrack to run back down your leader of Ricky Bledsaw. Bledsaw leads them down the back straightaway into 3 and 4. Nunn, Kuehn, Arnett, and Lawley. Tommy Lawley up to the 5th spot now. Lawley on the hard charge. Tommy Lawley. Zoe Hyde trying to get around now. The 420 of Houston Garrison down the back straightaway. Houston got away from Hyde. Hyde following in pursuit on the outside of 3 and 4. Zoe Hyde, the lone female driver in the factory stock division. Derek Arnett quickly in pursuit of Jim Kuehn. 5 laps to go for race leader Ricky Bledsaw. 5 more trips around. Bledsaw, lap traffic in tow. Looking to go to the inside to put the number 34 a lap down of Aaron Kuehn. He got him a lap down. Puts him between him and the 87 of Nunn. Nunn looking to go to the inside of Aaron Kuehn. He's also going to put him a lap down. Going into 1 and 2, it's still all Ricky Bledsaw. Bledsaw leading by a straightaway of the backstretch, entering turn number 3 and 4 now. It's still eyes on the 3rd spot, Derek Arnett, Tommy Lawley, and the J4 of Jim Kuehn all going at it for the 3rd spot. And Arnett tagged the J4 of Kuehn, puts him in the infield. Also got a front bumper at the top of 1 and 2. Kuehn got back to the point, and now Wasserman going to try to get back up to it. Wasserman going to try to shove Lawley up out of the way, staying green. The J4, Jim Kuehn. Here comes Wasserman to the inside, looking at Tommy Lawley. Lawley holding to the point. Lawley crosses it back underneath Kuehn. Lawley now gets around. He's staying to the inside. Lawley driving, trying to hold on to 3rd. White flag one more time around for Ricky Bledsaw. Still going toe-to-toe for 3rd. Lawley to the inside, down the back straightaway. Lawley and Kuehn going nose-to-nose in 3 and 4. Lawley staying glued on the bottom. He gets held up, and he tagged up on Kuehn, and he fell into the infield. Lawley drops off to the infield. Checkered flag for Ricky Bledsaw. Followed by the 87 of Chris Nunn. Bledsaw wins it. Nunn 2nd. 3rd, we'll see. 3rd coming out at turn number 4. It looks like it's going to go to the J4. Kuehn. Ricky Bledsaw, your winner. Chris Nunn, Kevin Wasserman, Houston Garrison, Zoe Hyde, Derek Arnett, Aaron Kuehn, Jim Kuehn, and Tommy Lawley will round them out. Tough luck for Lawley, fell victim coming out of 4. As he comes down the front straightaway, give him a round of applause, the 20 RB, Ricky Bledsaw.